Shit clean, man. Yeah, that's legit right there, bro. That's legit right there. A lot going on. Got the usual suspects on the scene. What's good with it? You wanna go see some cars, man? Yeah. All right, man. Oh shit. Oh yeah. It's wet. It's raining. Whole lot going on. Showers at least once a day, man. You know what I'm saying? I try to take at least one shower a day, man. Yeah. That's what you need right there, man. Some underglow. This is my man Ed. This is the El Gato right here. Okay. I don't know where he at. Yeah. He just got some drag radials and shit for his car.
So imagine.
Yeah.
So imagine mine.
Yeah.
Black on the outside, but go Ming on the inside.
Yeah.
That's how mine.
I see what you're saying. You said you already ordered your shit. You just waiting on it to get here.
That's already here.
Oh, okay. You just gotta have somebody to put it on.
I'm waiting on the splitter and spool it again. I'm putting all the stuff on at one time.
Gotcha. Yeah, I wouldn't mind fucking with that one. If they don't look the same, I'm not touching.
That thing polluted.
Yeah, exactly. It's got something in it.
Let's see vanilla.
Apple pie. It's vanilla? Let me smell that. Okay, you can't go wrong with that. That's like that old school. You can't go wrong with that.
So now, total interior.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Smell that. You might actually like that. That's what I got in my car. It's an interesting smell. It ain't like no fruity smell.
Yeah.
This JaxWAX new. I got their new fragrances. What you think about that shit?
That's some soap.
Yeah, that's what it kind of smells like, a soap, don't it?
That thing might be hitting on something.
I told you. Everybody buy that one. That's the one everybody buy. That's the one. And I spray that on my floors and under my mattresses real hard. Yeah.
I don't mean to have your hands full, Mr. YouTuber.
You gotta spend 50, right?
Yeah, I'm over 50 already.
You sure?
Yeah. Look, 14.
Yeah.
This is 19. This is 20 by itself.
Gotcha. Yeah.
I'm already over there.
You probably over 50.
I'm just buying extra.
Yeah. Okay, what else? Shit, you got microfiber towels and everything? They fight.
What says that?
Well, to dry it, but I mean to something dude.
You got Todd?
Yeah, I saw him. Yeah, we talked for a minute, man. Yeah. There you go, right there. JaxWAX.
Yeah.
You don't have those papers most of the time. See, I done turned them on to the good stuff, man.
Oh, yeah.
He got the wide body Hellcat that we rode in together.
They got a wide body?
Yes, sir. Wide body Hellcat Charger.
Yeah. 7713.
Hey, you're right, over 50. What's up, dude?
You ain't spun the whip out there?
Huh?
You ain't spun the whip?
I did a little bit, man. I've gotten active in it a little bit.
I'm saying, you seen my new car?
No, I hadn't seen it, man. Let me see.
I got the 663 S out there.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, the white one.
Where? Look at that interior. See, that's quality. All you gotta do is black out the tint. AMG. My man Tim is official. These go get you too. VA. I've seen this one before.
He thought I read the Adams, man. I had to make sure.
Exactly. Oh yeah. Dragon Ball Z. That's Super Saiyan 4 right there.
People don't know about
Super
that.
Saiyan 2. They better know Super Saiyan 2. Drama free, man. What's up, dude? What you up there doing?
I
I don't know how they see with this big ass thing, man. Like, how can you see with that on? Both of them. What they doing, bro? What's up, man? Hey, man, everybody loved this damn car on my when I put it on the YouTube, bro.
Hey, bro,
Everybody was talking about that shit. Damn, that shit go hard.
That shit do go hard.
Everybody was like, man, what is that?
That's probably the hardest Charger in North Carolina to beat. The hardest shit.
Yeah. Everybody trying to copy us, bro, with the spikes. Everybody trying to copy us with the spikes, man. You know what I'm saying? That's got to be Hellraiser, right there. That's Hellraiser.
Imagine that was the same black, the whole same black top.
God, man, he got to get rid of that silver shit, man. He talked the grip too. You got to get rid of them silver rims. Oh man, that Hellraiser clean.
Like the yellow stripes.
I see what he was going. He wanted something to make it pop. See, he got to black all this out. Get rid of the Dodge. Get rid of the clear shit, and just go straight black rims, and then that yellow's gonna pop even more.
Yeah. I actually don't want the halos. I want demon eyes.
He said that Casey was telling me about that too. He said he could do that too.
But Casey told me,
Yeah.
I just want the front. Casey like, man, I can't do that. It's not cost effective. I have to do the underglows too.
Yeah, he told me the same thing. He was like, because I just told him I wanted the underglow. This the man right here.
The man.
I'm telling you, Griff's Garage. You got your shirt on? There you go.
Always, man.
If it's not Griff, don't let anybody touch your car, man. I'm telling you. What's up, man? If it's not Griff's, do not let anybody touch your car. My man got a wide body Hellcat. Orange.
How you doing, man?
This is the one and only Griff's Garage.
Oh,
man.
that was the one who
Yeah,
did.
all right,
Oh, yeah, that thing's pretty.
He thinking about some work. He said he don't want to do nothing to it now, but he thinking about it
later on.
Later on.
Even you can always go subtle.
Yeah,
Like,
subtle.
Subtle changes to it.
Yeah.
Like small pinstripe to it.
Yeah. You can put some skulls on the side of your car, some subtle stuff like that. You know?
Is it that
Some
subtle?
subtle.
Yeah, is that subtle?
Yeah. But yeah, he's the man.
They don't listen to that on the police.
Really? Listen, man, make it one of a kind. I told you as soon as I saw her, I
told
knew it was her.
Yeah, I'm gonna take her and change it.
Yeah.
I can do something similar.
Something similar.
I'm not gonna do the same thing.
No. Make it unique.
I can't put that on her.
What's the last thing you've done to yours, man? Anything recently? It's perfect, man. What more could you do?
Hey man, I ain't got time.
That too. Cause you're booked out for like what, September or something?
Yeah, I'm booked in October now.
See it. I've never seen one in person. My man got the wide body kit on there. This is my man Caught You Looking right here. On there.
Oh, he put it on there?
He put it on there.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's clean. What up, dog? What's going on, man? That shit clean, man. Yeah, that's legit right there, bro. That's legit right there.